Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Unboxing with Marty. Hey, I want to get your attention for a second. Take a look at that picture right up here. Take a look at that close. Yeah, I'm using a white cardboard box to prop up that monitor. You know what? I'm going to do something about that.
Hi there, you've tuned in Unboxing with Marty, where you'll find videos on unboxing, how-to, software, and occasionally something different.
Yeah, you saw that. I'm using a white cardboard box to prop up that monitor. Kind of outside of the white cardboard box is kind of a nice setup. You know, I've got the monitor there, and behind it I've got a mini PC and the VESA mount hooked up on the back. I've got a Bluetooth keyboard, a Bluetooth mouse, and even that little Bluetooth speaker. It's kind of a nice setup, but I want to replace that cardboard box. It just doesn't look right. So what I did is I went out and got this. I can't even pronounce it. It's a HUANUO monitor stand riser. So I'm going to open this up and take a look and see if it'll make things better. So let's get started. Well, here we go. Let's get started. HUANUO monitor stand riser. Let's flip it over and see what's on the back. All right, so you get a little idea of what's on the back of the box. You know what? Let's go ahead and cut this right here. I think we cut through it. Yep. Let's just here you go. There you go. So here you go. Looks like got the legs. You can see on the legs here some rubber grips. And look at this. Oh, let's take a look at this. Here we go. This looks very simple to put together. I can tell right now. Look at that.
Wrench and nuts. The wrench, that's nice.
Got your instructions. And of course,
This is the shelf.
okay, I can tell you I'm already going to like this. So let's get this organized and get ready to go. It looks pretty self-explanatory. The instructions are pretty easy to follow. So let's take a look here. There you go. Obviously, it's pretty easy to figure out. This piece goes this way. And look, you got the rubber feet here. That's going to be nice so it doesn't slide on the desktop. There you go. Put the nuts in place. Like I said, nice that it comes with a wrench, so we'll just make it secure. Oh, this is nice. You know, I felt, ooh, this one here felt a little loose, so I'm going to tighten that up real quick. See how that works. You can always tighten them up later if you want to. Nice. Rubber feet. Yeah, I think that's going to be nice. You know what? I'm going to go set it up with the monitor and see what it looks like. So I'll be right back. All finished with it. I went ahead and set the monitor on top of the monitor stand riser. I'm going to throw the picture up here so you can look at it. It looks pretty good. You know, what I like about it is it looks a little cleaner. You know, you have that space underneath where I can store something if I want to. Do you guys use a riser? Did you like make one at home? Did you make one yourself? Or did you go out and buy a riser like I did? Let me know, and let me know your thoughts and comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, be sure to hit that like and subscribe buttons below, and be sure to tell your friends about this channel. And thank you.